Okay, DIYers, my 2002 Honda CRV, front wheel drive, F&B Martin. I live in Denver, Colorado, and it is time to get busy. I'm going to start removing my battery, and I'm going to remove the air box. So that's what we're going to get started on. Okay, I'm going to start with the battery. I have already removed the back side, and I'm going to remove the front side of the battery so I can remove it entirely. It's going to be a pretty big project, what I'm doing over the next 3 to 4 days. So the battery, I'm using a 10 millimeter socket to remove it. Let's see. Oh, that was tight. There we go. Okay, let's see. Okay. The next bolt that has to come out is a 12 millimeter. As part of the battery. You have to excuse me. I have a little bit of a cold, so I'm going to be snuffling. So don't judge me. Is it 12 millimeter? No? Hold on a second. I thought it was 12 millimeter. Maybe it's a 10. I'm sorry. I thought it was 12. Let's see. Let me bring out this 11 and a 10. I thought it was a 12 millimeter. My bad. 10? Okay, it's definitely a 10 millimeter. For some reason, I thought it was a 12. Okay. So it's a 10. The socket set I'm currently using is a 1/4 wrench. I've got all three. I've got a 1/4, I've got a 3/8, and I also have a half. So this one I'm using a 1/4 ratchet with a 10 millimeter socket. Okay, that's off. I'm put it in my vehicle. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the ground. Leave it out for now. Let's see. Okay, next is the air box. And I've taken it out before. I believe it is 10. I believe it's 10 millimeter. It's either 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, or 12 millimeter. I'm going to be disconnecting the tubes that run into it, the connectors, the sensors that run into it. I'm going to leave the box as a whole. I'm just going to remove the entire box so I can have greater access to my engine. So I'll be showing you guys my wonderful tools I've purchased since April of 2025. It's now September, to be working on my SUV. So this is these are needle nose. They're 11 inches. It's a 5-piece set. I got it off of Amazon. I have a straight nose 11 inch. I have a 45 degree 11 inch. I have a 90 degree 11 inch. I have a middle circle nose plier 11 inch, and also power diagonal cutting nose plier 11 inch. So that's what I will be using next to get my box. Let's see. Okay. Let's use the 45s. They're a little bit better. 45 or 90s. Let's go 90s. No, these are 40. Yeah, let's use the 45s. Okay. See, I think the screws are a 10 inch. Let me see. Yep, they are. So these are 10 inch screws. Okay, let me get a longer extension. Okay. Okay, let me disconnect this one. Pull that back. That's pretty easy. Wasn't too bad. Make sure you guys are getting a good view of what I'm doing. Gonna go a little bit closer. Let's see. Looks like a good view. Okay. Let me move this out of the way. Okay, let me see if I can get closer. Try to get it up and over for what I'm doing. Okay. I think that's a little bit better. Okay. Okay. Let me see, I'm gonna take this off. Let me take this off. It'd be better if I take it off this way and then come back. I'm recording straight, but what I'm going to definitely do, I'm definitely going to make sure that I edit my entire video. So, like I said, each video will probably be about 5 to 10 minutes on each part that I'm working on and removing. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me remove the larger bolt for the intake. Once I take this bolt out, I'll be able to remove the entire box. Let's see. Okay, I think that's almost there. Yep. It's a pretty good size bolt. It's long. Most important thing when you're a DIYer, you gotta be patient. Because if you're not patient, it ain't gonna work for you. Okay. Okay, let me see what else. What other? Okay. So that. Okay, let me make sure. I've taken this off before. Just got to make sure. Okay. There it goes. So, we lift it up and it should come right out. Okay, so I'm gonna disconnect it from the bottom. Perfect. Box is removed. Should be coming out. There we go. Box is removed. I'm gonna put it in the back of my vehicle for later.